So we got a very hype train on the racer right now. We're gonna do a parents versus kids racer ride. We're in the red train. Woo! Go red train. Going against the blue train.
Which our kids are on.
Our kids are on. We're gonna see them in just a second. We'll see if they got a better start than us. It's all in the start, I think. Let's see. Oh, we got a better start. What's up, guys? You're going down. Oh no. Oh, they might have it. They might have it. Red. Let's go red. Let's go red. Let's go red. Let's go red. Let's go. We got a hype train right now. It is so hype on this train. I'm gonna cut and then, it's gonna be a good race. Woo! Red train! Oh, we got an inch. We got an inch. Let's go, red train. Oh, bye-bye. Woo! Red train! Let's go! Woo! Oh, we got him. I think we got him. They're on our heels. They're on our heels. Let's go, red train. You got it. Woo! Yeah. Let's see where they're at. We can match up. Oh, it's a tight race. It's a tight race. They might get us. Oh, wow. I've never seen it so easy. Woo, there we are. We might get him. We're gonna answer him. Going down. I think we got him. Oh!